Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Siren Jaw. Now the Siren Jaw is a creature that comes from the Godzilla and Kong Titan Chaser game. And if you guys like this, I've got a whole list of them that I would definitely love to draw. So let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these type of creatures, and I would love to draw them for you. But I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Siren Jaw from the Godzilla and Kong Titan Chasers, let's begin with the eye. So you want to start right about here, and let's just go ahead and make kind of like a check mark shape. We're going to go down and kind of curve it back. Now to draw the actual eye, let's just kind of curve a shape around here. Then inside here, we can just make another oval shape. And we'll just kind of color this in, leaving a little bit white. Then I like to add a few little lines kind of right around here for some detail. Then a little line's going to come up and down here. Now we kind of want to make this other eyebrow shape, but we're going to do it over here. So let's just make kind of a line that's going to go up and down. Then we're just going to kind of curve some lines down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring this up and then back here for that big mouth, kind of like a big frog. Next, I'm going to bring this line over to here, and we're going to kind of curve this down. Next, I'm going to do a little broken line right around here. And another little kind of broken line right around here, almost like the lips. Now we're going to fill this in with a bunch of teeth. We're going to make a bunch of kind of like sharp, pointed, kind of jagged teeth all the way around. And then we're going to make a bunch that kind of go out like this. Next, we're going to make this line kind of come down for the back of the mouth. Next, I'm going to curve some little lines kind of up and down here and bring this down. Next, I'm going to make some kind of like bumpy lines that are going to go down and kind of curve around here. Next, I'm going to curve this line around to here. And I'm going to bring this line back here. Next, we're going to make kind of like a point that comes down here. And a point that comes down here. And we're going to make a point that comes down here and then up. Then I'm going to make some kind of like wiggly lines around here. And then we're going to bring this up to here. It's a really weird shape for that leg. Next, I'm going to kind of bring a big line that's going to curve up and then down to here. And we're going to make this other leg come out. We're going to kind of curve this around and then down to here. It's really kind of like a frog shape almost. Then we're going to bring this line up, and we'll do a couple more little lines. Then I'm going to bring this line down to a point and over, another one down to a point, one here, and then one here. Very similar to this one. It's just kind of like these crazy looking like almost frog feet. Next, let's go ahead and draw a couple lines that come back here just to kind of shape out the body. Then we're going to draw this foot over here. We're going to begin by making this line come down to a point, and we're going to bring it back to about there. Then we're going to do the same thing, bring this down to a point, and then we're going to bring this up here. And then we can kind of put this other back foot over here. We can bring this line down to a point very similar to what we did here. And we'll do that same thing, bring this to a point, and we're going to bring this up to here. Next, we're going to make some curves on each one of these claws. So we're just going to put these little curved shapes right around here, just kind of shape out the claws. We're going to make some long kind of broken lines right here. And then some long broken lines right around there. We're going to make curves right along here. And little curves here. And little curves up there. And we're going to do little curves all the way around. And we're going to make little lines right around here. And we'll kind of put some more of these lines right across here, and then let's bring a couple that come down here too, kind of broken lines for a little bit of texture. We can make some kind of like curve shapes right around here, kind of on like the neck, lower jaw of this big Siren Jaw character. We can even put some extra little lines in here for some detail. We can even put some extra little lines on here. And some extra little lines kind of coming right around here. I'm going to bring some of these lines over a little bit. And even, let's make some kind of like little partial oval circle shapes for some detail on there. Next, along the back, we can kind of make these nice broken lines for a little bit of texture and detail. And then we're going to bring these here. And we're going to make these little lines coming right across here. And I like to just kind of add these kind of oval shapes all the way around here. Just for like some detail, you can make some bumps over here. Just kind of add something a little different. And now the Siren Jaw can kind of like camouflage in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to give the Siren Jaw almost like these little branch type things coming off. It's just kind of like these little kind of wiggly shapes right around here. This is just so he can kind of like camouflage in his environment and then surprise things. So we're just going to kind of add these little like tree looking shapes on there. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Siren Jaw from Godzilla and Kong the Titan Chasers. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.